Okay, problem. My laptop keeps pressing the same key on its own and I can't control it like this. Solution: use the mouse, of course. Click settings and click system, about, and then device manager. Then I look for the keyboard, click on it, and then right click on the keyboard and then uninstall driver. After that, it will ask you to restart. Just restart, and then once it's restarted, it will automatically install the updated keyboard driver. It didn't work at first, so I repeated the process. The second time when it restarted, it solves the problem. So try it. If this video helps, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.